Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Facebook page. So for this, first of all, just open up the Facebook application here. So you have to make sure that you are already logged into your account. Now tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down, tap on this help and support, open it. Now click on this help center. Now over here you will find this search box. Type in this request a verification badge. As you can see here, tap on it. Now click on this first option, request a verified badge on Facebook. You can verify your Facebook account just for the verification badge, or you can meta verify your Facebook account. So verified badges confirm that a notable account is authentic presence for that person or brand. Likewise, meta verified is a paid subscription that confirms the account is validated and authentic. These subscriptions come with a bundle of features and benefits available for both eligible profiles and businesses. If you just want to verify your Facebook page, you can come to this section, and over here you will find this option, fill out this form. Tap on this, fill in this form. Verify your page or profile. Click on the option of page. Now you have to provide these information. Firstly, click on this drop down page and select your Facebook page. Once you select it, now step 1, confirm authenticity. Click on this drop down and select your document type. And then here in this option, tap on this choose files and upload it. And step 2 is confirm notability. Click on this drop down and select the category here. Now over here type in your country name. Likewise, in the audience section, describe the people who follow your page or profile. When you scroll down, you will find the section of links, add up to 5 articles, social media accounts and other links that show your profile or pages in that public interest. After you fill all this, click on this option to send. With that, you have just requested for the verification of your Facebook page. In the case you want to get meta verified, come to the menu page. Now click on this gear icon in the top right corner. Now open your account center, scroll down and you will find this option meta verified. Click on it and go through the process. To get meta verified on your Facebook account, you will need to fulfill these requirements. You can just go through these requirements. If you fulfill this, you can apply for meta verification. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.